Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the Figma file and finding the element that contains or will hold the link. You should select the text, frame, or shape now so you can act immediately. Once selected, glance at the Inspect and Prototype panels to see whether a link already exists and what type it is. Make sure you're in the Design or Prototype workspace as required, because some actions are only available in prototype mode. This gives you the right controls to add or open the link. Now you add or trigger the link. To add one, switch to the Prototype tab, click the plus on Interactions, set the trigger on click, choose Action right arrow open link, and paste the full URL including HTTPS. Once done, pick Current tab or New tab so the behavior matches your intent. If the link already exists in a text layer, you can open it immediately by holding CMD on Mac or Control on Windows and clicking the link. That bypasses prototype mode and launches the Finish by testing the link. Enter present mode and click the interactive element, or CMD/Control plus click the text to open the URL directly. If nothing happens, make sure the URL has the correct protocol like HTTPS, check for accidental spaces, and confirm your browser isn't blocking pop-ups or Figma. Also make sure you have permission to follow external links in your workspace and try disabling extensions that intercept clicks. If the link still fails, copy it and paste into a new browser tab to isolate Figma versus network issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.